Selecting one or several objects can be tricky, especially in projects containing a large number of items. To make it easier for you, Wrapstyler provides you with several selection methods. Selecting objects with the mouse works the same way in both the 2D and the 3D view. To select an object, simply click on it. By holding down the Shift key, you can add other objects to the selection or deselect them. Selecting multiple objects is also possible thanks to a simple selection rectangle. To deselect all, simply click on the background of the view. In Wrapstyler, trim parts or patterns can sometimes overlap, making them difficult to select. In that case, holding down the Control key when clicking displays the list of every element present under the pointer. If you hover over an item on this list, the corresponding object is simultaneously highlighted in both the 2D and the 3D view. You can identify an element in the list thanks to its color, its name, or the icon representing its object type. Then click on it to select it. The objects in the 3D and the 2D view can be selected from the Project Explorer. Simply click on an item of the list to select it. Use the Shift key to select multiple adjacent items, or the Control key to add a single item to the selection. You will note how when you select a trim part in the Project Explorer, it's automatically selected in the 3D view and even in the 2D view when it comes to a pattern or a clone. This synchronization will help you locate items faster, especially in complex projects. Wrapstyler also provides you with several selection groups. For example, you can select everything in one click with the corresponding buttons in the 3D and the 2D views. You can also, by right-clicking on one of these buttons, select a subset of elements according to several criteria. In the 3D view, this sub-menu allows, among other options, to select every trim part associated with a pattern or to reverse the selection. It even gives you the ability to select multiple items based on their names using regular expressions. For instance, using B** will select all the trim parts whose names start with a B. The use of regular expressions to an advanced user can become a very powerful selection tool and is particularly useful for large-scale projects.